Good afternoon and welcome back to another how-to series. Today we're going to be learning how to install Visual Studio Code, Python, and CodeRunner so we can begin our Python experience in Visual Studio Code. The first thing that we want to do is we're going to download Visual Studio Code from the website that I'll link in the description below. You're just going to click Downloads, go and download the Windows version, and we're just going to let that finish. Now that we've finished downloading, I'm going to take the cautious route and we're just going to show the installer in case anybody's wondering, because there is one important step that you need to follow. So all you need to do is click next until you get to the point where it's going to ask you if you want to add it to the path. Make sure that's selected. Sometimes it's not, it happened to be in the past, and then just go ahead and install it. I'm going to click cancel because I already have it installed. Now the next thing we're going to need is to install Python itself. So just go to Google, type in Python, click on downloads and download Python, the latest version, whatever it will be whenever you watch this video, and go ahead and install it. Now again, there's something very important that you need to click: add Python to path. If you do not click this, you will run into problems, and then just click install. And the installation is complete. Now we are going to open up Visual Studio Code and we're going to create a new file, and we are going to save this file as python.py. py just means that it's a Python file. If this does not pop up, you can use the search bar and just type in Python. It will come up pretty easily, and just install it. Now let's install the CodeRunner extension. So click on that extension button, go to the search bar, type in CodeRunner. It should be the first one. Install that, restart Windows Studio Code, and here I already have a file with a simple print. So we're just going to type in our file print quotation hello, comma, world, period. Save that and then run the code. If you run this code before you save it, it will not run. And here we have hello world, and that's how you install Python with Visual Studio Code real fast.